Hi, I'm Ellie, and today I'm going to be cooking in the Ooni Koda 16 a meatball pizza, and I haven't decided which topping to use this time. I bought these off the Ooni website when they had the 20% sale on, so I got a good deal and bought 7 items. This is one of them. I think I'm going to use this one. It's the chipotle, pineapple and garlic. I've used that one already, so I'm going to try this one now with the little meatballs. Let's get my dough ready. Uh, 426 in the middle, 430 just right. Right, it's on full flame. Let's go for it. Ooh, fire and fire. Cooking super fast. Nearly got me there. Have a look. Can't seem to see. A little bit more in the in that region, and more there. Done. Swap peel over time. Okay. Gosh, the sauce, it merges into the cheese, and so you don't have this like intense boiling hot mouthful of sauce. You have a combination of flavors and they all work together. Now This one I've put on meatballs, and it tastes, look at it, got a bit there. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go for that. See that bit there? That's all mushy with the cheese. Super nice. That did a good cook there. Glad I didn't keep it in any longer. If you've seen the video, it was in my rock box and I made round meatballs and they rolled off the pizza. Never again. Don't make round meatballs on your pizza unless you're particularly skilled at keeping them on when you launch it in to the oven, because all mine practically came off. Rolled everywhere like little bowling balls. Just sauce on that meatball. So nice. Very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and to support the channel. Smash the like button. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.